When this monster mom used lies to rip a loving father away from his kids, the judge had seen enough and hit her with a warning so savage it left the courtroom stunned.
And the reason why you were not able to visit with your child from the time that he was born was because Miss Hewitt concealed the real paternity of Ashton to you. Is that correct?
Yes, and I have that in a message. She told me I came in from Virginia when he was expected, and she would not let me come to the hospital, told me it had nothing to do with me, that she had already DNA'd the father, and I just assumed he was already there. And the other father is actually, she goes up, I don't know, she had a DUI, and the bondsman that bonded her out of jail was the other potential father, and he was exonerated, or when Ashton was 1 year old. I received notice from the Tennessee Child Support Office in February of this year asking me to do a DNA test.
Okay.
And that was how I found out.
And then from then on, you tried to foster the relationship. Is that right?
Yes.
And is that your purpose here, is to continue to have that relationship with your son?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's all, Judge.
Let me correct one thing. I know you as my child, you cannot simply say, this is my child, I'm going to do it my way. So you have to understand that he has a legal right that has to be balanced with your legal right, and first and foremost is the best interest of the child. So why don't you tell me what it is that you object to him having visitation over Christmas?
I don't feel comfortable, and to be honest, I wish I just never did. I wouldn't have to deal with this because he's dangerous, he's erratic, you never know what it's going to be. And he always takes it out on women and children.
The court's main emphasis in all of these cases is the best interest of the minor child. Mr. Fenton says he was not aware that he was the father. In fact, he was denied that he was the father, and therefore he didn't take any steps over the last 3 years until he got notified that he was going to be the father, or that he was potentially the father, and then the testing proved that he was. She says, of course, Ms. Hewitt says that he knew all along he was the father, and as a result of that, we've got a child who's in the middle of this scenario. Ms. Hewitt obviously has nothing good to say about the man she had sex with and had a child with, but she essentially doesn't want him to have unsupervised visitation. I don't have any proof before me that he poses a threat to this child. I'm giving you unsupervised visitation on Christmas Eve of this year.
Maybe request that mother just, the exchange should happen at the Dixon Police Department instead of the father going to the house, because in the past, the mother would just simply lock the doors.
That happens,
So-
she's going to go to jail. If she denies this court order, she is looking at 10 days in jail minimum. I'm ordering this. You have to comply. You don't have a choice.